So we've got a couple chicks in the wheelbarrow, and got Sir Winston and his harem over there. Just nailed one of them, missed it. But yeah, they're the eggs are fertilized now, so I've been instructed not to take the eggs unless I don't want babies, and I do want baby chickens. I would love some baby chickens. And I just want to point out this. You put out little water sources in your garden for all the wildlife. I see lots of different types of birds drinking out of there, and whoa, and it's a yin and yang sculpture. And here's our glorious view here at Reiki Southwest. And yeah, I just protected this Buddha garden a little bit better, I hope, because it's supposed to be my succulent collection. And the different succulents are supposed to, oh shoot, no, oh, see, they're getting quite strong. Oh no, this is, what's this? Is this Fudgy? I think it's Fudgy, my little budgie. And go play elsewhere, darling. And so yeah, I'm making some more structures kind of like this, or you know, this around here to protect this part of the garden. And I put in this wire and some more chicken wire, and raise some more plants up higher, put some cinder blocks up higher. Oh shoot, dang man, you were persistent. So just move whatever they're using to get that high. And yeah, these are supposed to be, I've got a little bit of cilantro. Wow, man, so strong. Anyway, no, that's not for you. It's not for you to eat. I know it's delicious. So yeah, I'm raising and covering, and you know, I'm just trying my best. It's pretty tough actually, but try and try again. This is Trista di Genova at Reiki Southwest. Namaste.